fuck. Okay. Oh, man.
Is that right?
Back up. Where's he? There he is. Here's our praying mantis friend. He flew in the truck. He flew in the car. Wow, I just can't get focused on him. Oh, whoa!
Right, whoa!
Whoa!
Did you see that?
That was cool. I got him filmed.
All right. He's still got it. He's got him. He's still it.
Whoa!
Oh, he's right.
That was so cool. Man, I hope this isn't focused because it sure isn't in focus in my eye.
It isn't?
No.
Wow. It looks like some kind of a stinger bug, too, that he's killed. Saved us. Yeah, there's that little stinger in that bastard.
Wow. Awesome. That is so cool. Look at him. Look at him go.
Yeah.
Hey, we're good luck for him, too.
Yeah.
We got to stay here till he finishes eating it.
Did you,
Okay?
try and focus in anymore, or no?
Well, it seems like this is, like, crooked or something. Well, I'm trying to, but...
If you could, then film one.
I'm in filming it still.
Oh, yes.
But it just doesn't...
The wing just fell off.
Just doesn't quite focus. I don't know if it's me or if it's the... Maybe it's this thing. Oh, it's not the... It's just this. Oh, my God. Wow. I could see so clear now.
Yeah.
All that time I couldn't see before.
There went another part.
I'm going to zoom way in on this. No, now it's not. Okay, I gotta go back out. Wow, that is awesome. He's our friend.
He's eating it, too.
Yeah, he is. He's chowing down on it. Whoa! Where'd it go? Has he got it still?
No, he threw it away.
You don't want it anymore?
I don't know.
Is it on me?
No, it came over my way.
He must be done with it.
I guess.
Wow.
Cleaning himself now. Yeah, it's cleaning himself.
Wow. He likes us.
All right.
He just...
We'll show you.
I think
his face there.
Mm-hmm. I think you know what he did is he just, you know, bit off something and sucked the juice out and threw the carcass away.
Yeah, it's over here.
Because I don't think that he would throw that away if he didn't want it. I think he threw it on me.
No, I seen it go over here.
Oh, over there. Oh, okay. Wow.
Earlier I seen a wing and another part, body part, fall down the map.
Wow, look at what he's doing.
He's cleaning himself all up.
Ooh, he just went down and went all the way down his little hand and went. I wish we could keep him, but we have to let him go. Oh, wow. He's still cleaning. That was the coolest thing. Maybe another bug will fly over here.
Oh, whoops. Did you see how he turned when you said that?
He's caught the movement of my cigarette.
Nice looking lilac.
Wow.
Thank you. Here's the line.
Whoa.
He's turning around.
I need to put my cigarette out, but I don't want to scare him.
But he's got his hands together like he's praying.
Wow.
Yep, oh man.
What's he doing? He's cleaning his leg. Wow. Whoa. That was so neat. Whoa, he's doing all kinds of cool things. Whoa, I love his little hands. He's waiting for another bug to come. I bet another one will because you know how they kept flying over here.
Yeah.
Come on, bugs. Now we want them and they won't come.
Unless they won't squeal real loud in there. Boy, still in there.
Don't move it.
Trying to.
Oh, I know, but you start moving it a couple times. Well, you don't. Maybe you don't have to hold it.
I'm proud.
Maybe you could put your beard down on that or something. Wow. Come on. Come on, we want a bug. Wow, he was lightning.
He's waiting. He's getting set for us here. Waiting for love.
Look at those antennas.
Yeah, this one.
He's got this little weird one that goes out the front.
Yeah.
It's vibrating.
Yeah, I see it. It goes all over the place.
Yeah.
Maybe he's putting out a scent or something.
Mom. He's so cute.